Hello, I'm Feminism. You all know me as a male basher. But you know what? I'm much more than that. I'm much more than hashtags. I'm the fight for recognition for every woman out there. No matter whatever she is wearing, no matter her skin color, no matter her waist size, no matter if she is not born yet, no matter if or not she was born a girl. I'm not here to prove that I'm the superior gender. I'm here to make a point that equality is a birthright. I am an existential crisis created to eradicate the existential crisis of women who believe in me. I'm not here to make women stronger. They already are strong. Believe me or not, I exist to make everyone believe in equality. I'm not supposed to be shamed upon just so that toxic sexism can earn point. I am blamed for every wrong thing in women's life. Not married? Must be a feminist. Divorced? Must be a feminist. Works late? Must be a feminist. Bold? Must be a feminist. And you know what your answer should be? A resounding hell yes. I do not deserve to be mocked in the name of patriarchy or with the slogan that this is how the world works. I'm here to evolve the monotonous life of women who is fighting since years for her rights. These days, I'm the wrath of misogynist. I have been considered as the tantrum of modern women these days. Little do they know what I really stand for. I exist to make everyone believe that to clothe a woman with her power is not to strip a man of his. I'm not a man hater. I'm not here to make everyone defensive with my name. I believe in peace. I'm not all about women and also not about hating men either. I'm the love that roars, let the women be who they are. I'm here to make a change. I'm here to make everyone believe that feminism doesn't make male an inferior species. I hope, I hope one day everyone knows what my true meaning is. I am feminism. I'm here to make a change for betterment, not to be a change.